Okay, so we're going to get the plastic wrap and put over the bamboo mat. So you want to get about twice the length of the bamboo mat. Oh, put it on. Okay, so you want it to kind of overlap on the top and the side. And fold it over on the top. And fold it on the side. And then you flip it, and then hopefully you did this long enough so it can go over. Okay, good. Now it's covered about half, and you can do it again on the other side. This way the rice will not stick to the mat. No, actually, I'll probably try. Okay, so wrap on the top and the side. Then you flip it over, making sure this side is overlapping. Okay, and then you fold this over, and boy, I cut a bit much, but that's okay. Just wrap that thing around. Okay, and now once we fold the sushi stuff on it, it won't stick to the mat.